Proxy voters. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in training material, the Commission guideline, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to define service voter, explain the classified service voters and proxy voters, illustrate the method of appointment of proxy voters, understand the procedure of casting of votes by the proxy, familiarize with different forms and formats. Who is a service voter? Those working in or employed under the armed forces of the Union, forces to which Army Act 1950 applies, that is Assam Rifles, CRPF, BSF, ITBP, SSB, NSG, GREF, BRO, CISF, etc. State armed police forces and serving outside the state, Government of India employee and posted outside India. Classified service voter. Service voter belonging to armed forces or forces to which provisions of Army Act has option of either voting through the postal ballot or through a proxy voter duly appointed by him. A service voter who opts for voting through a proxy is called classified service voter. Who is a proxy? A service voter may appoint any person as a proxy to give vote on his or her behalf and in his/her name at the polling station. The proxy shall have to be ordinary resident of that constituency. He or she need not be registered voter, but he or she must not be disqualified to be registered as a voter. Method of appointment of proxy voter. If a service voter is at the place of his posting, he has to put his signature in Form 13F before the commanding officer of the unit and then to send the form to his proxy for affixing his or her signature before a notary or the first class magistrate. Thereafter, the proxy can submit the form to the returning officer concerned. If a service voter is at his native place, both he and his proxy can sign the Form 13F before a notary or the first class magistrate and then send to the returning officer concerned. The format of Form 13F is shown on the screen. Application for appointment of a proxy should be received by the returning officer before the last date of filing of the nomination papers. If application received after the last date of filing of the nomination, then it will be valid for subsequent election unless revoked or changed. Period of validity of proxy. Once appointed, the proxy will continue so long as the person making it continues to be service voter, till the date he or she revokes such appointment, dies, whichever is earlier. Proxy can be changed at any time for any number of times by the CSV. Classified service voter can revoke proxy and opt back for the postal ballot through Form 13G. The format of Form 13G is shown on the screen. Record of vote by the proxy voter. The proxy can record the vote on behalf of the service voter at the polling station to which service voter is assigned, in the same manner as any other elector assigned to that polling station. In addition to the vote that he or she may cast in his/her own name, if he/she is a registered elector in the constituency at the polling station to which he or she has been normally assigned. Marking of indelible ink. In the case of proxy, marking of indelible ink will be done on the middle finger of the left hand. The sample is shown on the screen. If the proxy is himself or herself is also a general elector, then one indelible ink will be marked on the left hand's forefinger when he or she casts the vote as a general elector, and one more marking will be done on the left hand's middle finger when he or she casts the vote as a proxy. The sample is shown on the screen. Entry in the Register 17A. In the Register 17A, the serial number mentioned in the sublist of classified service voter will be entered in column number 2 and the letters PV should be suffixed in the bracket. For example, in the case of the proxy voter shown against the serial number 1 of the sublist of classified service voters, The serial number to be entered in the column 2 of Form 17A will be 1 in the bracket PV. For the proxy voter as serial number 5 of the sublist of classified survey voters, it will be 5 and in the bracket PV and so on. The sample is shown on the screen. When the person who is appointed as a proxy casts the vote as a general elector, then the entry in the register 17A shall be done in such a way as done for other general electors. Postal ballot for classified service voters. Postal ballots will not be issued to classified service voters. But if a classified service voter opts back for the postal ballot, then he or she have to revoke the proxy by intimating the returning officer in Form 13G of the Conduction of Election Rules 1961. In this education video, we have learned about the proxy voters. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.